Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to add products on your Shopify store. The first thing you need to do is click on products. So when you enter into the products, on the right side you'll see a button that's called add product. Click on that and it'll take you to another page. Now there are various options that you need to understand and you need to go through. The first thing is the title. The title means the name of the product. It should be SEO friendly or something that you like or you understand that people are looking for. So the next bit is the description. There are a lot of options within the description. This is basically the product details, for instance the features, the key features, the size, the color, or anything, your refund policy, your replacement policy, your insurance policy, anything you'd like your customers to view when they click on your product. You can add a size chart in it as well. You can bold or play around with the fonts. Similarly, you can add images in it as well. You can add the videos in it as well. You can choose the heading size as well. So it totally depends how would you like to design your own page, the product description. Now for YouTube, for insert. So let's talk about the link first. You can also give in the link to a certain page or a product which will be SEO friendly as well. If you like to add a video in it or an image in it, the image is very simple. You just need to click on attach. For some odd reason my internet was not working at this point, but you just upload the image and it will be there. For the video, it's a bit of a lengthy process. You need to have a YouTube channel or any other Dailymotion or any other channel. So you copy the link from there. You just place the link over here and it will automatically insert the video in it here. Just to show you that how the image or the video or everything is shown, I'll show you a website. Right, so there are various products. Let me find the product which has the video or the description, which similarly I'd like to show you. For instance, this is just the description. For instance, I've put the title and the price and the the refund policy and all. So if you go into the diaper bags, let me show you, not this one, there must be another. This is the same description. Yes, I think right, not in here. So you can see that I can also change the colors as well of the font you like, and the product title and the description is according to the SEO as well, Google as well. Now if we just click on this swaddle wrap, yes, there is going to be video. So this is how you insert the YouTube video in this, and you can add the text. So this is not the product images or the videos. This is basically, you can add the customer review or the how the products look like. This is the main area where you actually click on add images and you add the images or the video of the products, which will be shown as well. Now if you see, this is how it's going to look like if you add different pictures in it like this. So you have multiple pictures, you just add those pictures of different sizes and different different angles, and you just put it so the customers can browse through your product and they can have an idea how the product looks like. Now there are different areas. For instance, price, the price you'd like your customers to buy at. Compare prices, basically if you're offering any sale or any services, so you can keep that price. And cost price is basically the product, this is basically for the profit and loss. Inventory, for inventory you can add the quantity. You can have multiple places. For instance, you can add up to 5 or 6 places. The online store is different and the warehouse is different. You can eventually shift the inventory from the warehouse to the or from one store to another. SKU or the barcode is the unique identification. If you can't remember which, for instance, you have multiple products with the same name, for instance 10 types of diaper bags, you can give them a different SKU or a barcode, which will be easier for you to identify at the end of the day. Now the weight, you can assign the weight. That's basically good for courier. Variant is basically the different options of price, of color, size, style, anything you'd like to add, just keep on adding. And now then you can edit the options from here, and you can edit the price of the variants, you can edit the price of the size of the variant, so you can quantities of the variants. So these are all options. For instance, if you're selling something which is same product which is 1200 rupees for kids, but you would like to charge 1500 for adults, so you can assign the costs or the price accordingly. So this is how you add a different variants to your product. Similarly, if we have multiple variants, for instance, you'd like to add color as well as the style, you can add multiple variants in it as well. So this is another option. Other than that, uh, you will have these options at the right side. Now, image I've already told you, description I've already told you. Now, product type means you need to define a product category, so it automatically goes into the collection, which I will show you in the next video how to make collections. Now, you can assign the product type, the product tagged, and the vendor and the multiple things to identify your product and to basically play around if you're offering sales, if you want this product to be shown on a certain page or in a certain collection. I'll show in the next video how to make collections, and then you'll automatically know that why it's for. Now you need to publish them as well, so these needs to be active. All the sales channel, just select them all and make it active so it can be published online. What are sales channels? In another video I'll show you what are sales channels and how can you add more sales channels. This was a quick video on how to add products. I hope